Alright, so it turns out I can use the elevator. It's just... a moving elevator. Let's go down to 1, I guess. Doesn't even feel like I'm moving. Well, it kind of does feel like. Here's the ladder to the thingy. Announcements. Looks like the Club Calneva announcements. That circle and thing looks similar to the Club Calneva garage. Here we are, 1. Let's hope there isn't security. Oh, here's the first floor. Oh wait, you get a down below view near the river. Okay, that's cool. That's neat. I don't know why they haven't labeled service elevator. Should just made it as a passenger one. But what do I know? Whoa. Here's the Statue of Liberty. Let's go back up. And it just left me. Are these buttons? No, they're just indicators. But yeah, here's the beautiful, famous Statue of Liberty. I can't zoom in any farther. Alright, here's my ride. Whoa, I know how to zoom in on this thing. Also, 1 is the main deck. Let's go back up to 4. Close the door. Door close works. So it turns out I can ride the elevator. Emergency telephone. This one is pretty slow. And it's because the boat has to move. So yeah, that's the elevator on the Staten Island Ferry. And that's it. Thanks for watching.